Okay guys, welcome back to Real Life Exotic, and time to put it back together. Ferrari 8 valve, because I'm on a halfway, and for this car we paint the bumper and I have some time to work on this car, so enjoy. Okay guys, if you buy a Ferrari 458, 488, California, 8 valve, whatever, don't be scared on the front. Don't ever be scared, because if car hit on the front, and it's not that bad, because if it's hit over here, like this frame is bad, this is the main frame. This one, it's easy to, like, any damage, like not big accident, and it's just broke all. I mean, here is not, this thing is not that strong, you know, so if it's hit, don't be scared. These pieces you can buy from dealer, cages you can buy from dealer. I mean, it's everything simple. So, I mean, simple for me maybe, but if you need to fix your car, you can DM me on my Instagram. It's Real Life Exotic, or another Instagram, Vision Exotic. And I can fix it for you, because I just start work for customers. I just start doing for customers. Let's say this Ferrari, this is my friend car. I'm fixing for him, and this, oh, it's another shop. Red Ferrari just show up from Los Angeles, and we also are working on this car. They're doing right now the Banda body filler. So if you need to fix your car, just let me know. And we can put in any upgrades. You wanna put in different color wheels. Let's say those wheels I just painted matte, like I think it's gold or bronze color. We just painted, so it looks sick, you know, like those color, those wheels, you know. It's I think I'm gonna repaint it to the matte color. I like matte better than gold. This one I think is too much flash, you know. So enjoy. Okay guys, this is the fan, brand new fan. This is the AC condenser, brand new also. Oh, I'm gonna put it on the side. Oh, this is the radiator. All parts I buy brand new. Okay. This one, the air duct. Okay guys, I'm gonna explain. That's brand new air duct for 8 valve, and that's how it look like brand new. Look at this. You can see the, what is this? Oh, it's glue, you know. You can see they sent over here like some spots, so it's normal. It's for brand new, it's normal. Yeah, I'm glad no broken pieces, you know. Sometimes we receive parts and broken pieces, so this one is good. So first of all, I have to put it on the AC fan, and after I'm gonna put in the radiator, and after the radiator I'm gonna put in the AC condenser, and then I'm gonna put in the air duct. As you cannot see under what's under, I'm gonna show you right now. The main frame, you know, main frame didn't touch. You can see it's just dirty, like I have to wash a little bit. Didn't touch, everything like on a good perfect condition. These pieces we replace it because it's been bent. This piece is original, and we have brand new piece, like lower piece is brand new. Now that one has this lower, it's holding the bumper. I mean, all of them hold the bumper, but only one has very small dent. That's all. So this is salvage car, and you can save, like, I think about, let's say 150,000 cheaper than original. Yeah, a lot of people talking, oh, this car you cannot drive 100 miles or 200 miles, it's not trustful, blah blah blah. I am open for any inspection, but I prefer dealer inspection, you know, because dealer, they professional. So this car, I put it back together like supposed to be, like from factory, you know. People scared from salvage. They think salvage is really bad, because I can tell like some shops, they fix not perfectly. They fix supposed to be, let's say you're supposed to be replace the parts, they put in banda, or they weld in, they change pieces. So this car, first Ferrari and this one, we fixed perfectly. So that's I'm talking for the customers, you know, because I guarantee my job, and I guarantee you can try to drive this car 200 miles. This car is gonna be same exactly like Untitled, same exactly. Nothing, you know, nothing bad. We don't put in the bad parts. Only one thing I install on this car: electrical fan and fan shroud is being broke one piece, crack, and we fixed. But I'm gonna replace it because I feel this car has only 300 miles, 400 already. And the fan shroud, I'm gonna show you. This is the fan shroud. And I remember some bracket is cracked, so we replaced it bracket, but I'm gonna replace because I still feel bad. I'm very picky about those cars, and I feel bad because car is too new and it's fixed. So just take a look what I'm gonna do and enjoy. tomorrow I have appointment at dealer, Ferrari dealer, to reprogram the key. I'm very excited because it's take me forever, you know, to get new key, you know. Yeah. And I bought it stuff. I bought it the pump. I'll show you guys. Okay. This is my old water pump, right? Old one. I'll show you. Okay. This is my old water pump, bad one, from this car, from 812 Superfast. This is used one, a little bit dirty, I have to clean up a little bit. This is used one from, I'm gonna tell you from what. It's exactly the same. Exactly the same. You guys not gonna believe. This pump from Jaguar. This pump from Jaguar. Okay, this pump cost like 2 grand, right? 2,000, like about 2 grand, right? Some of them 2,500, around this. This pump costs 200 bucks, you know. So you have to know more and more and more stuff, you know. So someone told me tie rod, inner rod, no tie rod, fits from some regular car. I'm gonna find out like 458 and some Chrysler or something like that. Arm control is exactly the same, but I'm not sure yet. This arm, they said it's exactly the same. I'm gonna double check, you know. Some parts fits from other cars, you know. It's a good thing, you know. So I'm gonna install the pump right now, and I'm gonna put in a couple more stuff, and I'm going to deliver the car tomorrow to the dealer. And I have to clean up a little bit because dealer not gonna accept probably, you know, who knows. Okay, check, make sure it's clean inside, nothing going to the engine inside. So I clean up, like I saw some dust, you know, and I just installed the filter, and I'm gonna install the cover, you know, and a little bit later I'm gonna replace because I find some scratch and I don't like it, and it's not that bad, it's not really expensive, so I'm gonna replace this piece. Okay guys, I'm installing the air ducts. This is the cable for the camera, front camera. This is for the airbag sensor. Without putting over here. This one, this sensor. This one for the pump. Okay. This is for the headlight. I'm gonna plug it in. Yes, I'm gonna show you this is for the hood latch, and that one is bent, so I'm gonna put in that one. I wanna fix it other one. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's cheap, you know. This is the hood hinge. This is the hood latch. Also super cheap. like I think about 100 or 200 bucks, something like that. Okay guys, it's already 12:05. I'm really tired for today. I worked from the morning and I just I need one more bracket for headlight and I'm gonna adjust the all lines, all gaps for for the bumper and headlight, and after that I'm gonna put it back together the bumper, and that's all. And put it back bumper on the car, install bumper on the car. Okay guys, car is going to the dealer to reprogram the key. I'm very excited what happened, when the car is gonna start or not, you know. Okay guys, I'm going to do alignment on this car. I'm really late, like always, you know. I'm driving first time on this car. Look at the wheel, it's pretty straight. After alignment it's gonna be perfect. Okay, I guess we have to leave the car, and they're gonna finish it in a couple hours and they're gonna call me because I have to fill out the AC also on this car.
Hey bro, you afraid of Corona?
No bro.
No?
I'm afraid of this cleaner. Corona is not good. It's not good to me. No, I don't drink.
Дай тряпку.
Это я был.
Speaking of nice, look at those work shoes.
It's clean, I have to. we made it. Car is done 98% because we have to do some cleanup and we have to
98%.
What are you trying to say?
100.
Okay, now it's gonna be 70%.
Now 100.
Okay, sitting over there. Just sitting. Okay guys, no, we have to polish the car. We're gonna sand paper, use the sandpaper, sand whole car and buff 3 steps and put in the ceramic coat. And that's how came out the front. Very beautiful, very clean. Like looks like factory, you know. Looks like factory, you know. I'm gonna. Oh, we just did the alignment. You guys saw. We tried to alignment. Alignment is passed perfectly. We fill out AC. Like everything works like supposed to be. Look at the interior. It's clean. I clean whole morning, man. Or we clean. I don't know. Looks good. Beautiful. 2019, only 700 miles. I explain you why 98% because I have to finish the some plastics. I didn't put it on. We put in temporary because this has hole and we're gonna replace those plastics. But reason why we install it because the rubber, we make sure the same gaps the same. Gaps. Yeah. But look at this, dude. Everything brand new on the car. Even the screw, bolts, everything brand new. And looks very beautiful. Just need to clean up under the hood and I have to put in the cover for the hood cover.
You have these?
Yes, I have. Yeah. So pretty much this car is done.
Just mostly aesthetic work needed.
Yeah, like Monday I'm gonna finish it. Monday or Tuesday. Monday. Big difference. But guys, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe and stay tuned. Next video we're gonna show you how this car drivable and we're gonna make something cool, you know. We're gonna try how much we can speed, right?
Yeah.
Like we can make probably 180 and more. Maybe 200.
200
Yeah.
per hour?
No, per minute.
Nice.
Guys, please like and subscribe. You guys help me, I'm gonna help you. That's how business works.